Most people try to use self-inquiry to fix themselves. But that's not what self-inquiry is really about. Self-improvement, it changes the mind. Self-inquiry reveals the one who has the mind. Fixing happens only in thought. Thoughts that are trying to fix the thoughts. It's like rearranging the furniture in a room. Ramana Maharshi said, the mind cannot know the self. The mind dissolves the self. Self-inquiry doesn't repair the mind. It reveals what you are beyond the mind. It reveals what you are beyond the mind. That's the subtle step. The subtle step that many seekers miss. When a thought or emotion appears, the mind wants to judge it, wants to fix it, wants to change it, wants to make it better. But in self-inquiry, you do something different. You self-inquire. You're open. To whom has this thought arisen? The answer is always, it arose in me. To me. Then, that's the point you turn your attention to that sense of me. But not to fix it, not to change it, but to consciously, directly know it. Who am I? Fixing yourself keeps you in the mind. Knowing yourself takes you beyond it. Self-inquiry isn't about creating a better version of yourself. You could call that personal growth. But self-inquiry is different. It's about uncovering the one who has always been here, the source of the mind, that one that's been untouched by problems, by patterns, by existence.